Welcome to Info Inspired. Let's see how this Sudoku template works. This template can generate millions of fresh Sudoku games, giving you a new puzzle every time you play. Here's how to start a new game in the desktop browser version. Step 1. Open the engine sheet. Copy the range Y2 to Z11, then paste it as values into S2 to T11. Step 2. Go to the play sheet. In cell A1, choose your difficulty level: easy, medium, or hard. Step 3. Copy the source board from B13 to J21, then paste it as values into B2 to J10. Your new puzzle is now ready to play. If you need help solving it, simply scroll down to view the solution board. To generate another fresh game, repeat the same 3 steps. For mobile users, use this alternate method. Step 1. In the engine sheet, randomly select a few values from the drop-down menus in range S2 to T11. Step 2. In the play sheet, choose your difficulty level in cell A1. Step 3. Clear the range B2 to J10, then manually enter the values from the source board. For the best experience, use the desktop browser version. I hope you enjoy this Sudoku template. Thanks for watching.